Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Dhaval. I just landed here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and it's a nice flight, actually. I was kind of impressed with Porter Airlines. As you can probably see here, it's freezing cold out there. Gave me a reason to bust out the winter garb and everything, but anyway, I'll be here for about 4.5 days, and I'm heading over to customs right now. I guess they have all these immigration kiosks and things, so I'm gonna go ahead and use one of them and you know, get my Uber cab and head on down to the downtown Hilton here. So, do we just check in right here?
We're connecting.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess not. So I guess we can keep going down. So, anyway. Yeah, so we have no connections here, so just walking down this long pathway here. But, yeah, it was a really nice flight. I really recommend people take Porter Airlines. Even the snacks and stuff were good. Hardly anybody on the plane, too. Half of it was empty. Kind of surprising. But it's snowing outside here too, you guys can see. So, kind of stoked to enjoy some snow. I actually busted out the winter garb since my last trip to Nepal. And yeah, it's gonna be kind of cool. So, anyway, I will be checking in with you guys once I get to the hotel. And let's connect then when I get there and shoot some more videos. So hope everybody's having a great day, and this is Dhaval, and I just arrived here at Toronto Pearson International Airport, and gonna be staying at the Hilton in downtown Toronto for a quick little vacation for 4.5 days, and I'll check in with you guys soon. Okay, take care, everybody.